Hello and welcome to the Weekly Market Outlook this week. My name is Stanislav Bernukov, and in this video I will provide you with a special idea this week. But before tuning into this week's idea, let's check the performance of the previous week's idea. It was a potential buy for a Tesla stock at around 275 level. We see that the price now is moving down towards 265 level, which is a gap level. Whenever it reverses at this level, it might represent the trading opportunity for buying. We will observe just yet. Today on our list is Exxon Mobil stock, as we continue to search for opportunities on the stock market. Oil and gas exploration companies have been particularly interesting for investors so far, with crude oil futures, whether it's WTI or Brent, hitting the new highs. XOM is leaning to the upper border of the trading range at around 119.50 level. Should this level be broken, the stock may continue moving higher towards 130-140 level, which is 10-15% rise from the breakout level. The overall sentiment for energy sector is positive. We see that the energy sector has been beating the tech sector so far during the second half of August and the first half of September. The overall sentiment of the stock market for the United States is still positive, with VIX resting on historical lows. Guidance for XOM are positive and assume $2 per share for the quarterly basis for upcoming 3 to 4 quarters. What might affect this idea in terms of economic calendar? Of course, the main event this week is the publication of interest rate for the United States, as well as press conference of Jerome Powell. Whenever he says something tight or restrictive, stock market may react with a potential decline. So volatility usually pops up during the press conference. Don't forget about that when building any positions on any asset classes. In summary then, the potential idea for this week is Exxon Mobil if it breaks the level of 119.50. The foundation for this idea is a strong sentiment for energy assets, as well as good guidance for the stock and the overall increasingly bullish sentiment for energy sector particularly. Don't forget about publication of interest rate this week, as well as press conference of Jerome Powell. Volatility may increase substantially should he say something unusual. Don't forget, this is just the idea. Do your own research and never forget to manage risk.